So I like to say that CISOs are from Mars and CEOs and board members are from Venus. The CISOs and the board members, they just don't speak the same language. A CISO might come to you and say, I installed Akamai Prolexic on a 104.4.3.1/24 subnet to mitigate a SYN flood attack, and you scratching your head as a board member saying, what did he just say? Instead, I should have said, I deployed a $100,000 a year denial of service solution so that our website can withstand a hacker trying to take it down. Now you understand me. We need to speak the same language. We need to use the same KPIs when we communicate to each other. Board members understand the language of P&L, of numbers. We need to come prepared with KPIs, industry standards, comparables. And so using a tool like CecurityScorecard, using the KPIs that we provide, helps bridge the communication gap, helps facilitate it. But I think it all starts from being a partner to each other. The job of a security practitioner is to help enable and help drive the business. It's not to be a no team, it's to be a how team. How do you enable the business, but enable it securely? And so my top three areas of advice would be: number one, use KPIs. Number two, explain the security and technological issues in plain business terms. And number three, build relationships with your boss outside of a boardroom. Make sure you get to know each other as a person. When you trust each other, when you like each other, you're going to be much more effective with each other of how you communicate.